Now, there's still no timeline on when evacuees will be allowed back into their neighborhoods. Much of Paradise remains blackened with ash and debris from the devastating Camp Fire. More than 6,000 homes and businesses that were destroyed still smoldering.
Though the wind-driven flames have moved through, what's left in their wake is devastating. In every direction, left and right, street after street, the homes are gone. And so are most of the businesses.
People were literally jumping from their cars and running for their lives.
Some even ran off the road or smashed into one another as drivers tried to escape the wall of flames. Now we know at least 5 people here didn't make it out.
West Air Resources to drop water there, stand by.
7, water tender 37, water tender 67, transport 2140, transport 2142, view crew 2, view crew 3, vegetation. And possibly in the area of Camp Creek Road, RP was calling from the Poe Dam. Looking across.
About 80% of the houses in town are gone, and our downtown is devastated. This fire took everything. It wasn't a section, it was town-wide.
The town's devastated. It's devastated. We're grateful that we got people out as quickly as we did yesterday, but we have a lot to do to rebuild.
This is my business here, and we're working to head over and see how our house is. I don't know if that survived.
And again, we're downtown Paradise. This is just one of the many businesses that are completely destroyed here. We can't even tell what this was before the fire occurred.
Evacuees wait to get word on their properties.
To see what's left of my house, and then my wife asked me to look for her wedding ring that she left behind. There used to be a countertop here with a sink, and she said that she had left it here, and so he just started digging and it was there. It's just a miracle. Yeah, there it is. It's just amazing. I just didn't think we were gonna find it, you know, but we had to try. And he said, hey, here it is, man. So that's pretty cool. So I make sure I keep it in my pocket, so don't make sure it gets back to her. I don't want to lose it again. So yeah, it's pretty neat. My wife couldn't believe that I told her the washer and dryer is still standing. You know, how's that happen? So I mean, you can't understand it until you're here, because you just have to, you can't fathom it in your mind. It's too much to take in. So yeah, I don't know.
It was a big fire and it wanted to burn everything.
Kevin J. stayed behind to protect his home. He considers himself one of the lucky ones since his house is still standing. Not the case for many of his neighbors.
All these places I used to go, people I used to know that are right down the street from me, it's all gone, it's all burned.
Are you still trying to get a hold of people?
I can't.
Today, we delivered the worst possible news to Marty Nelson.
I'm very, very upset about that. You know, we had all our family and family belongings and everything inside of the home, and we lost everything.
He asked if we could go to his house on Crestview Drive. This is what's left. The sense of knowing now, bringing some closure.
When I found out today, it was kind of a relief in some way, and now I can kind of go on with I mean, not me, but our family can kind of go on with our lives and make preparations on the future.
In the midst of all the destruction, there are signs of hope. Firefighters rescued this injured cat along Skyway. Now they're hoping to reunite the cat with its owners.
I'm at the Feather River Hospital. Hospital just off of Pence Road in Paradise, and I'm actually standing on the helipad. I want to give you a look at what I'm seeing right now. This is medical equipment that was brought out here what appears to be last minute yesterday during the campfire when patients and doctors, nurses, and their families were fleeing this area. Now, this is truly just an unfathomable sight and gives you an inside look at what these people were feeling at the time that this fire came up this way towards the main hospital.
We gotta go quick if we're gonna go.
You know, these apartments are still here. Some of them.
Well, should we check Tony's ashes, or there's her house?
Is that yours?
That's mine. That's ours. Gone.
She gone?
She gone.
Wow.
Well, that's confirmed.
Yeah. There's Ingles.
Okay.